In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename Notebook in OneNote. The safe way to rename a OneNote notebook is to change its name where it lives in the cloud, not inside the OneNote app. Doing it in OneDrive or your organization's SharePoint keeps everything in sync and preserves sharing, so collaborators don't lose access and you don't end up with sync errors or duplicate notebooks. First, close the notebook in the OneNote desktop app. In the navigation pane, right-click the notebook you want to change and choose Close this notebook. This doesn't delete anything, it simply disconnects the app so it isn't trying to sync while you rename. If the notebook is shared, give teammates a quick heads up that you're renaming it so they know to look for the new name. Next, open OneDrive in your web browser and sign in with the same Microsoft or organizational account you use with OneNote. If the notebook lives in a team site, go to that SharePoint location instead. Signing in with the correct account matters, especially if you switch between personal and work profiles, because each account has its own storage. Now, locate the notebook file. Most OneNote notebooks are stored inside the Documents or OneNote Notebooks folder, but the exact location depends on how you created it. Use the folder list or the search box to find it by its current name. Rename the file from here. Right-click the notebook item and select Rename, then type the new notebook name and confirm. Keep the name clear and concise, avoid unusual symbols, and stick to plain letters and numbers. Renaming here updates the notebook's display name across devices while preserving permissions, links, and version history. Your sections and pages stay exactly the same. Finally, open it again in OneNote. In OneDrive, click the renamed notebook to launch it. If you're prompted, choose to open it in the desktop app. Back in OneNote, you'll see the notebook with its new name. If the old name still appears, give it a moment to sync, or close and reopen OneNote to refresh the list. If others have the notebook open during the change, they may need to refresh their view to see the updated name. That's it. Remember, don't rename from inside OneNote. Always close the notebook first, and rename it in OneDrive or SharePoint. Following this process prevents sync problems and keeps shared access intact, so you can get right back to work with a clean, accurate notebook name.